Hello, and welcome to Web Shorts. Today we're going to talk about Page Ladder 2.0. When you log in for the first time and go to your Page Ladder, it's going to look something similar to this. And here we're going to start by going to the very top. This teal button right here, if you click this will take you to your Page Ladder. The next two are list and groups. You do not have to worry about that. Next is preview. If you click preview here, it will give you a preview of your book. You can scroll down to kind of see what everything looks like. Next, if you go here to Page Mover, we've actually put Page Mover as a tab. So by clicking this, you can quickly go to your Page Mover, move whatever pages you need to. You do not have to hit save. Come over here to Page Ladder, and it will be moved for you. This will eliminate the need to go to Create, and then Page Mover, then Plan, and then Page Ladder. It's all done here on the tab. So you can just go back and forth and you can move your pages. Next, you'll have your select all right here. Once you click on select all, you'll see that actions is now clickable. Under actions, we now have, you can complete your whole book all at once. You can return all your pages. You can submit all your pages once you're ready. You can either unlock all your pages, hide your pages, show your pages. Set them to black and white, set them as color. Next, we see the print button right here. If you click that, you will see print selected is the first choice. Simply come back to select all. You can print selected right here, or you can simply click into one of these boxes right here, select the pages that you would like to print, come up to print selected. Here in the upper right hand corner, you will see that it's generating a PDF. Once that is done, you will see PDF generation complete. Click this little button right here, and it will open up a tab right here where the selected pages are now viewable. And you can actually print these or download these as a PDF. Also under print, we have print all and print page ladder as well. Next, we have the start with last year. All you have to do is click here, click continue, and last year's pages will now populate on your page ladder right here. Next, we're going to talk about the interface right here. If you come over all the way to the right, you're going to see two little toggles. The first one will have all this information here in gray underneath it. If you click over here where the little eye is, you'll see that most of that goes away. So if you want a little more cleaner page ladder, you can click here. And now we're going to explain some of these that say no section or no master page, no topic, no staff. We're going to talk about this next. First, we're going to come up here to sections. By clicking sections, we can actually delegate these pages to certain sections such as staff. Here we have the staff section. Here we can click and hold this, and we can actually drag this over here. Here you will see that the staff is selected, so we know this is the staff section. You can also click the down arrow and see that staff is now a selectable item, and do it that way. You could also click and hold, drag here to the middle. You will see a teal box around both pages. Let go, and now you can see that both are staff. You can also type in first grade, click on the plus sign, and it'll add it to your sections. Click and hold, apply to one page, apply to the other page, or apply to both pages. Again, if you click the down arrow, you'll see that first grade staff is now a selected item. Now, one thing you will notice, like last year, there was the save button up here in the upper left-hand corner. That button is now gone. As you make changes to the page ladder, it is automatically saved. Next, let's talk about topics. So topics could be first grade portraits. So we click that, click the plus sign, click and hold. And we can do one page, the other page, or both pages. In this case, we're just going to do one page and let go. And then here you can see the topics is now changed from no topic to first grade portrait. If you put that on the wrong page, all you have to do is click this little X. It will take that off of there. You can come back and then drop it on the correct page. Now, next is staff. Here you can assign staff members to the pages a lot simpler than last time. Just simply click and hold the staff member, drag them onto the page, and let go. Here you will see their name right here. If you want another staff member, all you have to do is click and hold, drag, and you can put another staff member. Now, as you can see, You can only have 2 staff members per page. If you want a staff member on both pages, simply click and hold. Move them to the middle. You will see the teal box around both pages. Let go, and then you can see their name here on both pages. Now we're going to come back to this bar here real quick, and we're going to talk about filters. If you click the down arrow on the filters, you will see that there are several more options. They all begin with all. This way we can see all the page ladder. If you click here, you can see that under staff, we have different staff members. If we click a staff member, we will see only the pages that that staff member is currently assigned to. Now, if you look right here, you'll see filters has this little yellow filter right here. This lets us know that the filter has been activated. If we need to deactivate the filter or reset our page ladder so we can see everything, simply click the down arrow. You can, one, come here to staff members, click all and see everything. Or you can simply come down here to clear and clear all the selected items and everything returns back to normal. Now next we're going to talk about some of these items right here that are above each page. First one is the lock. By selecting this, you can actually lock the page and then unlock the page. Next is hide. You can hide a page should that page be something, say a teacher is retiring, a teacher is receiving an honor, a staff member is being honored, a student is being honored, whatever that page is that you don't want other people to know about or other people to see it just yet. You kind of want it to be a surprise as much as possible. Next is the view as PDF. We can click this and we can actually view this page as a PDF. Right above it here is this purple button that's now marked complete. Once you've done the page up, everything looks good, everything's ready to go. You can actually click this button right here. It will change the page status to complete. Here you will see a more prominent green bar underneath it showing that it has been complete. Here you will see a more prominent yellow bar showing it's currently in progress. And down here below, a little more prominent red bar that shows that it is not started. And you will actually see the words not started here on the red bar, as well as the in progress here on the yellow bar, and the completed here on the green bar. Should you need to return it, you can simply come up here to this return button, click return, and it returns it back to in progress. And this is the new page ladder. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for viewing our tutorial. For more tutorials and videos that will help with yearbook creation, please check out our channel on YouTube, Memory Book Company Technical Support. Thanks again.